Hello everyone! It's Fitness Week across the country. We are here to help you build healthy habits with simple tips to eat better, move more, and feel great. Ready to join the challenge? Let's start with food. Add color. Make your plate colorful with at least 3 different veggies or fruits. Pick healthier options. Choose whole grains like brown bread, oats, or brown rice instead of white. Drink more water. Choose water instead of soft drinks. Add lemon or berries to make it tasty. Limit sugar and processed food. Cut back on lollies, soft drinks, and packaged meals. Keep it fresh and simple. That's it for the food tips. Now, let's get moving with some easy exercise ideas. Move for 30 minutes. Walk, cycle, run, anything that gets the heart going. Make it fun. Do some sports, play active games, and try dancing to keep your body moving and have fun. Build strength. Lift some weights. Try squats, push-ups to get stronger. Now, let's talk about sleep. Good sleep keeps your body strong and your brain sharp. And remember, staying away from stress helps you rest better too. Turn off screens. Switch off phones, tablets, and TVs at least 1 hour before bed. Create calm. Dim the lights, read a book, or play quiet music to help you relax before bed. Stick to a schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time. Eating better, moving more, sleeping well. Now, let's talk about staying on track. Motivation matters, and small steps make a big difference. Pick one goal at a time. Choose one realistic goal at a time. For example, take a short walk each day, eat more veggies, or cut back on sugar. Write your goal down, or use your phone. Write your goal in a notebook, or on your phone, so you can see it every day. Track progress. Tick it off each day. Little steps add up. Small wins matter. Reward effort. celebrate your hard work. One last tip. Keep it fun, keep it simple, and keep going. Healthy habits grow one step at a time. This week, we learned how to eat better, move more, sleep well, set goals, and stay motivated. You've got this. Thanks for joining us, and keep going. See you next time. Stay fit, stay healthy, and keep moving.